Hello everyone. In today's session, we will cover HTML tags. In yesterday's class, we have studied about what is meant by HTML and what is the structure of HTML. Right? In today's session, we will see some of the basic HTML tags. Right? So first, we will go for heading tags. What is meant by a heading? So we will heard this word in a kind of a textbooks or whatever the things we are writing in our notebooks. We will keep the writing of the description in a kind of a heading, right? In the same way, if you want to if you want to make your content in a heading manner, then in HTML we will use 6 levels of tags. Those are H1 tag, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 tags. So in that most important, that means that particular tag, that particular H1 tag will appear in very larger size. And when coming to the H6 will display in a very smaller size, right? So we will see a little bit of snippet. In the snippet you can observe how we can write different kind of headings and how it will be appear in the output. Let us start. So initially we will practice our HTML writing code in Notepad itself. Later we will go and write our code in a editors, right? So what is the first step? First we need give a perfect name. First we need to save it as, and I will give the name as in double quotes heading tags dot html and double quotation close, and after that I will click save. So now this is a heading tag. And what is our structure? First we need to build our structure. HTML, it will contain opening tag and closing tag, and after that I need to give the name for my page. For that I will choose head tag. In that head tag I will give a title tag, and I will give the name as heading page, and after that I will close my title tag, and straight away I need to close the head tag also, right? So now I need to display. So to display we need to open the body tag. That means whatever the content you need to display in the web page, then you need to write your code inside the body tag. So first we need to build the structure immediately. So now I will write the code inside the heading inside the body tag, right? First I have given h1 and my heading tag, and I close h1. And what I told, there are six levels are there, right? I simply copy and paste it. So there are 6 tags, right? So simply I will change h1, h2, opening tag and closing tag, h3, h3, h4, h4. So I will give the last 2 levels, that is h5, opening and closing. It's a very easy language. Just we need to remember the tag functionality, right? So now we have completed. So I simply save it, Control S, right? So now I will straight away open the heading tag. So you can observe the output. It is very clearly telling that this is the H1 tag, and this is the H2 tag, and this is the H3, H4, H5, and last one is H6. What I told, H1 is the highest priority, that is high, very important. That means it's appear in big size, and H6 has least important. That's why it looks in small size, right? Right. This is a simple output. So if we observe carefully, with the output and the code, you can understand. So this one is the H1 tag, which has big size, and this one H2 tag with some less size. And in the same way, when coming to the H6 tag, it will show the output in this manner, right? So like this. This one is the H1 tag, and this one is the H2 H6 tag, right? Right. This is a simple video regarding the heading tags of the HTML, right? In next session, we will go and watch some other concepts, some other basic tags, right? Thanks for watching.